Happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. It is the 15th of December. We are having a long weekend in South Africa and it is beautiful in Cape Town. My name is Melise and I am a coach who teaches people on narcissistic abuse, and this is day 3 of my 12 days before Christmas video series. And today we're going to be talking about something very interesting. Now, we know the holidays are meant to be a time of joy and connection and love. But for the most of you dealing with a narcissist, the festive season can feel like a minefield. Today, as part of the series, I am going to be talking about how narcissists use the festive season to maintain control, and what you can do to protect yourself. First, let's talk about why the festive season is a prime time for a narcissist's manipulative games. The holidays bring family gatherings, emotional connections, and a lot of attention. Things narcissists thrive on. Here's how they use the season to tighten their grip on you. Number 1 is guilt trips. Narcissists often guilt you into spending the holidays exactly the way they want to do it. Whether it's demanding you cancel your plans, spend time with their family, or center everything around their desires, it's all about control. The second thing is creating drama. If the focus isn't on them, a narcissist will stir up chaos. This can be anything from last-minute arguments to sabotaging plans, and sometimes they argue with you in the middle of the night just to get your attention. They crave this attention, even if it's negative. And the third thing is gift giving as a power move. Gift giving for a narcissist isn't about thoughtfulness, it's about control. They might give extravagant gifts to look like a hero, or intentionally give nothing to punish you. Either way, it's about keeping you off balance. The fourth thing is isolation tactics. They might try to isolate you from loved ones, insisting that you should only spend time with them, or making you feel guilty for wanting to see other people. So how can you protect yourself during the holidays? Here are a few tips. Set firm boundaries. We speak about this in almost every video because boundaries are the only things that keep narcissists from controlling your life. It's okay to say no. Remember, your needs and happiness matter too. Limit your expectations. Narcissists rarely change even during the holidays, so don't let their behavior surprise you. Lean on your support system, friends, family, or even online communities. You don't have to face this alone. If this resonates with you and you're ready to take the next steps towards healing, I've got something special for you this Christmas season. Click on the links below in the caption and grab your free gift, my healing course. Completely free with the coupon code on the screen. You can also grab a copy of my book or book a one-on-one free 15-minute consultation session so that we can get through some of the gunk that you're dealing with the narcissistic people in your life. So remember, this season is supposed to be about joy and peace and happiness. And what I want you to do is focus on these things because it will help you have better outcomes this season instead of going into January feeling really defeated by the narcissistic people in both your family system or your possible partner. So please remember to share, comment, and like these videos because I will be giving away 5 copies of my book, Witness Me, the ebook version, to those people who have engaged the most. I hope this video resonated with you, and I'll see you tomorrow for our next catch up.